everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Moni, and today's video we're going to be reviewing Tarte's new Shape Tape. Is it called Shape Tape? Yeah, Shape Tape foundation. So they released two. They released the matte and then they released the hydrating. So this foundation has got like a lot of negative feedback, and I'm going to let you know the reason why. So stay tuned. So my package came today, and we're gonna see what these foundations are all about. Alright, so I ordered 3 of their foundations. I ordered 2 of the Shape Tape, and I ordered 1 of the matte. So the matte is Rich Sand, and then we have Mahogany, and we have Deep Honey. So in the hydrating one, the one before this one, which is Deep Honey, is the Tan Sand, and that's supposed to be for a person with this complexion, and this is like way too light for me. So this right here is supposed to be my shade. In my opinion, I don't really, they consider that like on a deeper darker range, but in my opinion, like the only dark shades they have is this. So we're gonna swatch this to see like how it looks. So they have this big AF like doe foot that's a resemblance to like the Shape Tape concealer, and I'm just gonna swatch this on the side of my cheek. And again, this is Deep Honey. I'm just gonna swatch this right here. Oh, this is coming out real red. I'm going to swatch Mahogany now and see what's going on. Okay. Okay, so this one is like kind of blending out a little bit, but it looks like it might be a little bit too deep, too orange. You know, I don't know how it's gonna look after it dries. And this one looks a little too deep. Alright, first I'm gonna take this, the Deep Honey, and then put it on my hand. And put the swatches on my hand so you can see what it looks like. I'm just going to take a little bit more. And then the bottles are like really pretty. So it's really sad that like this had to happen like this. And then we're just going to take a little bit of this. Let me swatch it on my hand, see if I can like get a little match. Ooh, this is orange. Orange. This is bad. This is really bad. Ugh. Oh gosh. Ugh. It just gets worse. Ugh. Okay. Well, I'm about to embarrass myself. My face is about to look orange like a freaking tiger right now. Ooh, this is not even. I'm trying to mix the two so I could get like a shade, but it's not working whatsoever. Ooh, okay. Ooh, okay. Like, I didn't receive, you know, any, you know, PR or nothing like that. I bought these from my own money. And when I went on a website, like, they literally had a nerve to say, like, you can only, like, buy, like, you know, 2 shades and stuff. Because I was going to buy the 3 and 1, you know, to be able to review it. Not for myself, to review this foundation. I'm going to put Deep Honey on this side. And then in the, what is this? In the matte one, I have Rich Sands. So I'm going to put this one on this side. There's a shade before Rich Sands. And the shade is Deep Honey. So I don't know, maybe that was mine, I doubt it, but let's see how this looks. So this is Rich Sands. On a website they suggest that we use their padded brush for the matte formula. I have my own brush. This set was like $20. So again, in my videos, you know, I really try not to color, really try not to color correct, so you can be able to see like how the foundation looks. And my eyebrows are already done. Alright, so obviously we can see like this is not my shade, so we're just gonna blend this out real quick. It doesn't make sense for me to like to put a whole bunch of foundation because we already know like this is not matching. So I'm just gonna take my brush and just blend it out. Okay, so yeah. Ooh, I look crazy. Oh my god. Okay, so for those who still want the foundation, if you're watching my video and stuff like that, and you want an actual review, that's what I'm here for. It does blend well. It does feel great. It has a great, as I can see, like from, you know, I can't really tell too tough because it's not my shade, but it does have like a good, good coverage. I would say it's medium to full from what I can see and what I can tell. Like, I'm dead giving myself a contour right now. Like, look guys, I'm contouring. Whew. Alrighty, I think I am done with this side. And for the other side, we are using Deep Honey, and this is supposed to be my shade. And I'm going to be using the Luxie flat angle blender brush and 538 to apply this. They suggest that you use a brush and I think a beauty blender to apply this foundation. I like that little clicking sound that it makes. Like, this is like so cute. Okay, yeah. So not only was there not enough shade ranges, the shade ranges that they actually had was like a miss for anybody that was like, you know, a little bit darker than, I don't even think for Alyssa Ashley that, I don't even think like, you know, I had to even watch the collab video with Alyssa Ashley and Jaclyn in order for me to even try to come close to like even like finding a shade. And I think for her like they even wasn't a match. And I try to like not watch other people's videos, so she did her own separate video reviewing this product and I didn't get to watch it yet because I just wanted to do my like own little review first. So I didn't even get to see if she was able to even like match her skin tone, which I would love to know. And this one is matching a little bit, but it's still like an orangey red. Leave your comments, like, you know, what do you think about, you know, this? So it's like an orangey red. It's not even full coverage from like what I can tell. And just blend it out. It has a really like nice glow. On the other side it's like not, you know, too matte. It's not matte. This was supposed to be the matte side and this is the hydrated side. I do like the little, you know, glow that you get from it. It's definitely not full coverage. This is definitely more full coverage. Boy, like if they did this right, they would have made so much money. I'm telling you, it's a very nice foundation, but made too many people mad. I'm gonna do a makeup look to just finish this off. I am using the Jaclyn Hill palette, and then we're just gonna just do like a simple look. I'm taking this shade and putting it all over the crease. So we're gonna go into this little smoky black in the corner and just put that in the corner of the eye. Not too much, and then we'll put it over here too. Yeah, smoke it out. And I'm just gonna bring that over here as well. Okay, let's bring that here. See if I go back with this and just blend it out a little bit. You could use these brushes for the eyes as well. Works just as good. Just blend that in. Just blend it back. Just blend it like in the crease a little bit, smoke it out. No, that's not working. Okay, so what was this? This was the taking some Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion and just putting this on the center of the eye right here, just a little bit. And just, you know, dab that a little bit. Okay. Take some Fix Plus. And we're gonna go in with this shade. Going to the Galaxy palette, and we're going to take I'm gonna take this color, and it's called Planet X. Just go back in with this Katvond Z and just highlight with this. Just highlight under my eyes. Let's highlight. Okay. Okay, take my beauty blender, just blend that out. I guess like if you really want to like make it work, if you was really wanted to really buy this product, if you have my complexion in the hydrating one, as it dried down, like it matches my complexion like a little bit, but this one, this is like this side right here for the matte is too red. Just contour my nose a little bit. Just gonna set this highlight with MAC, some MAC. Okay, so on my lips, I put Deep Thoughts from Smashbox. I'm just gonna go into this palette and just add some highlight. Which one should I use? That is dry. There's these two right here. So I like to go with my beauty blender and just, you know, blend out everything a little bit. Line them by MAC and Whirl and just line my lips a little bit. So give that little extra. It needs to be sharpened. Okay, so when this product released, like, everybody was like super excited because like everybody and their mama used a Shape Tape, you know, concealer. So everybody was like super excited that this was gonna be like a foundation. It was supposed to be, you know, modeled after the Shape Tape concealer that came out, hence the name Shape Tape foundation. So a lot of people was like super excited because that foundation was like named the #1 foundation, concealer. So to not see your shade there and to see only 2 ranges of darker shades, it was like a hella like disappointment. Like even I was disappointed. Like I know I just started like reviewing videos and stuff, but like I have been buying makeup for years. I have been watching like what comes out, the latest and all this other stuff for years, and I was making videos like last year, but I had to stop. I had to get my priorities in order, and then now like I feel like I'm able to be stable enough to make videos, to make consistent videos for you guys, to give reviews and stuff like that. So that's why like I had started again. So like when I seen it, like I was like super excited. I was like, yeah. Then when we see like 2 shades, we're like, what is this? And then you go to wondering like, okay, what is the reason for this? What is the reason for like only having 2 shades? This is a big product. Like if they had did this correctly, you know how much money they would have got? You know how much this would have sold out? It would have been a #1 foundation if they did this properly the first time. So like on Instagram, like they were saying like, oh, they're gonna release like more shades. Like I'm gonna post a picture right here. They were saying that they're gonna release like more shades later on, but it's like, come on you guys, like it's too late. Like why would you wait? Why would you just release like, it's not even 3, like it was supposed to be 3, it's like only 2. There's only like 2 darker shades. Who is this covering? This is not covering anybody, no one. And it's so sad because it is a beautiful foundation, you know. So it's like, come on, like we in the year 2018. We need brands to be inclusive, you know. We need brands to cover everybody on the spectrum. And then for you to release like 10 shades in the lighter shades and then only release 2, we have no choice but to not support this and to not buy this product. These is going back. They said they're going to release more shades like later on and stuff like that. No, you should release all the shades at once. There's no excuse. There's no reason. You're a big brand. You have enough money. All the shades should have been released at once. If these brands need help with complexions and diversity, you have like all these influencers that are far more willing to give their to let you guys know what shade and what you need. All this needs to be done before its launch. So this, I'm not keeping it. It's going back. I don't know what else to say about it, you guys. So I hope you liked the video, and thanks for watching. Please subscribe, thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.